Welcome to the My College Admission Counselor's online college preparation and admission guidance system. I'm Steve Sterling and I am a certified educational planner. Over the past 23 years, we have helped hundreds of college-bound students and their parents with the college admission and financial aid processes. With all of our practical knowledge and experience at My College Admission Counselors, we have decided to share our knowledge and advice with all college-bound students and their families, free of charge. This includes guidance for high school seniors, juniors, sophomores, and freshmen. This information has been researched, developed, and continually improved over the past 23 years that we have worked as college admission consultants. Our intent is to help all college-bound students and their families, in particular those families unable to afford a college admission consultant. The information, instructions, and advice provided by our online guidance system includes practical knowledge designed to help all levels of high school students prepare for applying to four-year colleges and universities by taking important steps to create outstanding student qualifications and enhance those qualifications starting their freshman year in high school. Our information will also allow students to submit the best possible application for admission to college in the fall of their senior year. We are sharing all of our information through the My College Admission Counselors Guidance System, which uses a unique, time-proven, calendar-based method for successfully guiding college-bound students, parents, and high school educators through the entire college admission process and through the basics of financial aid. This guidance system can be accessed through our website, mycollegeadmissioncounselors.com, where our Google Calendars can be added to your personal Google Calendars with complete instructions and advice for preparing and applying to college. Instructions on how to add our Google Calendars to your personal Google Calendars are provided later in this video. These calendars provide students and families with daily reminders and brief instructions. However, the majority of calendar date squares on our Google Calendars also have links to important details about each step in the college admission process and financial aid process. Clicking on one of these links takes you to a video on our YouTube channel which presents important instructions and details about the tasks we recommend you complete on that day. Many of these videos also contain links in the description of the video to invaluable and downloadable checklists, example documents, and much more. Therefore, our guidance systems allows people to choose their level of assistance by simply viewing the 30-day calendar each month, or by selecting the option to use automatic reminder notifications via Google Calendars, or following detailed advice and instructions on YouTube videos with the option of downloading helpful checklists, documents, and forms, all free of charge. A key element of our guidance system is that whenever we update our Google Calendars, the Google Calendar you have added to your personal Google Calendar will automatically be updated as well. In this way, we always provide you with the most up-to-date information. To use our online guidance system, there are two tasks that must be completed. First, download or add the Google Calendar from mycollegeadmissioncounselors.com for your grade in high school, and then follow the tasks and reminders shown on the calendar dates. The second task involves following the YouTube video links embedded in the Google Calendar you have added on the appropriate dates for detailed instructions, advice, checklists, and example documents. Please keep in mind the schedules, instructions, advice, and deadlines provided are our recommendations only. Following the information given in the My College Admission Counselors guidance does not guarantee achieving admission to any college or receiving any amount of financial aid. However, over the past 23 years, without exception, hundreds of college-bound students and their parents have found our recommendations and advice to be invaluable to maximize students' potential for being accepted for admission to their college or university of choice with the maximum amount of scholarship and grant money. The following demonstration will show how to add our Google Calendars to your personal calendar and how to use our online guidance system by either following our instructions one day at a time with the option of receiving email reminders, as well as how the entire online system works. To download any of our college admission calendars, you first want to log into your Gmail account. Then you need to go to mycollegeadmissioncounselors.com, and our home page is shown here, and you'd want to click on the tab at the top, Calendars. When you click on the calendars, it's going to take you to the page that shows the various calendars available for high school students. Students can then click on their particular year in school to download the calendar they want. If you're an educator, you're welcome to download all the calendars to help all the students under your responsibility. I'm going to demonstrate on how to download the All Steps for the senior year by clicking on the icon. This will bring you to the Google Calendar in the My College Admission Counselors account. You would then click on the plus sign next to the Google Calendar on the lower right. You will then be prompted to add the Senior All Steps calendar. Clicking on Add. Your personal Google Calendar will then be populated with all the information from our calendar. There's a lot of information shown on this calendar, but please keep in mind the majority of the tasks shown are simple reminders to keep high school students on track with the college admission process and to remind parents where their students should be at any point in time. If you're not interested in our task reminders or receiving our advice on how best to enhance your applications for college admission, you can simply download the Senior Essential Steps calendar, which only shows the required steps to successfully apply to college. The tasks, reminders, and deadlines presented in our calendars are designed for students to meet the early November deadlines of many private colleges and universities. But we also show the deadlines typical of all colleges, such as the November 30th deadline, December 1, December 15, January 1, 2, or 3, and other deadlines in February. Our calendars have 3 levels of detail. You can simply look at the monthly calendar and see what task is due on a particular day. Or, for example, if you want to click on one of the tasks, such as finalize your resume, when you click on that, more details will come up about what is involved with creating a resume and what should be on it. And if you want complete instructions and an example document, you would go to the YouTube link, which will take you to our YouTube channel, in which the detailed discussions about the resume are presented, as well as a discussion of the resume format that college admission officers prefer. Going back to the calendar, I would like to show how you can receive automatic email reminders for each task shown on a particular day. In order to receive these reminder notifications, first go to the settings for the calendar you have added from the My College Admission Counselors website. Click the 3 dots on the left side of your calendar page next to the calendar you have added. In this example, I'm using the Senior Year All Steps calendar. After clicking the 3 dots, go to Settings, then scroll down to the Other Notifications section, and under Daily Agenda, select Email from the drop-down menu. You will then begin receiving an email reminder each day there is a task to complete. In this example, I have previously added the Senior Year All Steps calendar to my personal Gmail account, and each day I have been receiving a reminder from Google Calendar in my Gmail inbox. This can be seen by returning to my email account, and in my personal Gmail account shown, you can see that each day I receive a notification of a task to complete as a daily agenda item. Or, if I have no events or college admission tasks to complete, I will receive notification that I have no events scheduled for that day. If I click on a daily agenda item, such as here, the topic of that notification and date are shown. If I would like more details, I can click on that notification link here, and I am directed to the calendar with a pop-up window showing more details and a link to complete instructions for preparing for scholarship interviews. If I would like complete instructions and detailed advice on how to complete this task, I can then click on the YouTube link here, which will then take me to the My College Admission Counselor's YouTube channel, and a video will be played which gives detailed information and step-by-step instructions on preparing for interviews for scholarships. In addition, students and parents can view future tasks on the calendar and anticipate completing them. For instance, tomorrow's notification will inform college-bound senior year students and their parents of the importance of beginning the college immunization process now. This is because vaccination for hepatitis B is given in 3 doses over a 5 to 6 month period, and incoming college freshmen are to receive all 3 doses prior to moving into college residence halls. Therefore, if hepatitis B immunization is required by your college, college-bound students should see their doctor and, if advised, begin the immunization process as soon as possible. The YouTube link here will direct students and parents to a video with instructions on how to find the list of college-required vaccinations, as well as a discussion of the vaccinations most commonly required by colleges and universities. Using this email notification reminder system, students and parents will never miss the tasks recommended by My College Admission Counselors, as well as the valuable advice offered. Parents can add the same My College Admission Counselors calendar to their personal account to ensure their student completes required tasks and meets all application deadlines. These instructions on how to use our college admission guidance system applies to all of our calendars, including the freshman through senior year, as well as the Rising College freshman calendar. Detailed instructions for the most important college admission and financial aid tasks will be included in the YouTube videos, which will be uploaded near the date of that task as shown on the calendar. Links to those YouTube videos will be provided in the calendar on the corresponding date. We hope all college-bound students, parents, and educators find our college admission guidance system incredibly helpful over the years and months ahead as they journey through the college admission and financial aid process.